हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं सभी। वेलकम ऑन माय चैनल साइंस वाला। आज हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं क्लास 8 साइंस का चैप्टर फोर्स एंड प्रेशर। इट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ फिजिक्स। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द चैप्टर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिस्कस द टर्म फोर्स। फोर्स क्या है? इट इज़ डिफाइंड एज एन एफर्ट टू पुश एंड पुल ऑन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड फोर्स। ऑब्जेक्ट एंड बॉडी आर कंसिडर्ड इन अ फिजिक्स। किसी भी थिंग्स को, किसी भी वस्तु को हम कहेंगे ऑब्जेक्ट या बॉडी कहेंगे इन फिजिक्स. So it is defined as an effort to push and pull on an object is called as force. For example, pull the camel cart by camel. Are you seen in a picture? By applying the muscular force of the camel, they can pull the he can pull the camel cart and push the door, pull the door. So force is also a directional quantity. Push and pull the door and drawer. जैसे हम दराज या ड्रॉर को ओपन करते हैं, then apply the force. I've seen like that. This is a block here, and by applying the force over it we can push it. Then here from apply the force, then pull it. जब हम किसी चीज़ को खींचेंगे then it is a pull, और जिसे धकेलेंगे then it is called as push. Clear? So this is a general definition of force, that effort which we push and pull the object. Formula of force. Force is defined as product of mass and acceleration. Mass and acceleration. Acceleration means change in velocity per unit time. Clear? SI unit of the force is Newton. Are you understand about the acceleration in your class 9th? SI unit, standard international unit of the force is Newton. Now define the Newton. When we say the force is 1 Newton applied on a body, or we say 1 Newton force. When we say the 1 Newton force, if the body of the mass 1 kilogram moves with the acceleration of the 1 meter per second scale, then we say the force is 1 Newton. See in a diagram, here is a body, and by applying the force of 1 Newton, it can accelerate with the speed of 1 meter per second square. And we say put the value of the force, 1 Newton is equal to 1 kilogram force is applied in the 1 meter second. We put the value of the 1 kg mass and value of the acceleration 1 meter per second square, then we get it the value of 1 kilogram meter per second square. This is defined as 1 Newton force. Next, force is a vector quantity. This force will have the direction as well as magnitude. What is the meaning of vector quantity? Vector quantity are those quantities in physics having the direction as well as magnitude. That means the quantity which need the direction for representation. You know that without direction we does not explain the force. Like that we say that 10 Newton force applied, so which direction we need it? So direction is needed for every time. बिना डायरेक्शन के हम फोर्स को डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते हैं. So we need the direction for it. Now next, a force is comes into play when an object interact with each other. कभी भी फोर्स ऐसे ही नहीं आती, then actually two objects interact with each other like that. A man applying a force with his hands, then first object is man, second object is block. When two objects are come actually in the contact with each other, then the force comes into play, interact with each other. So the next term is the resultant force or net force. We say it is defined as the sum of two or more forces acting on a body. इसे हम कहते हैं जब एक से दो या दो से ज़्यादा फोर्स किसी एक बॉडी पे लग रही हो, then it is defined as resultant force or net force. See here, here is a block applying the force F1 here and applying the force F2 here, then both having the same direction, then the resultant force is additionable. See now, first of all see the formula. F net is equal to F1 vector plus F2 vector plus F3 vector. This arrow is represented over the F. This is known as sign of vector. It is always in the same direction. Okay, on the F. The force which acts on a forward or upward are considered as positive direction. The force which acts on a backward and downward considered as negative. See in a diagram. The forces which are acting on upward, जिस फोर्स की डायरेक्शन ऊपर की तरफ होगी, that is considered as positive, and then it is acting as forward, आगे की तरफ होगी, then it is also considered as positive. Backward, पीछे की तरफ, then it is all considered as negative, and also similar as a downward is considered as negative. Examples of resultant force. First example, find the net force and the direction of the resultant force given figure. हमें निकालनी नेट फोर्स क्या लगेगी और फिगर आपको गिवन है. फर्स्ट फोर्स F1 इज 50 न्यूटन इन फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन, देन 40 न्यूटन इन F2 इज बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन. देन वी हैव अकॉर्डिंग टू द डायरेक्शन कंसिडरेशन F1 is 50 Newton positive, F2 is negative because backward force are considered as negative. Now F net, F1 plus F2, we know that F2 is a negative, then plus minus, we get it the 10 Newton resultant force. And what is the direction of force? Direction of resultant force in the direction of F1. If the resultant force getting positive, then we say in the direction of F1. अब जहाँ देखो F1 की डायरेक्शन है पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन है और यहाँ भी रिजल्टेंट क्या आ रहा है पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, देन वी से in the direction of F1 or we say positive direction. Clear बच्चों? See the next example. Find the net F net and then the direction of the resultant force in the given figure. Here is figure is given. There are two types of forces. First is given here. F1 is 50 Newton. Then the friction force is given 50 Newton. Both forces are given. Friction is always acting in opposite direction to the motion. Okay. We have the F1 and the backward direction force is negative. Then F1 plus F2. Then here the resultant force is 0 Newton and object does not move. जब resultant force 0 होगी तो object move नहीं करेगा. बच्चों अब हम force लगा रहे हैं और उतना ही friction force है तो object move नहीं होगा. And we are clarify this one topic in detail in chapter friction. F net is clear. Here the body is a state of rest, then the no direction of force. जब body state of rest पे then no direction of force. Actually object is just not moving. Find the net force and the direction of the resultant force in given figure. Are you see here? Force of friction is 20 Newton and F1 and F2 are the both are in the same direction, then they are added. 20 and 20. We have said that F1 is negative direction. F1 is negative, F2 is also negative. F is positive because forward direction considered as positive. F1 plus F2 plus F3 minus 20 becomes minus 40. And plus 20, then its result minus 20 Newton. Then the direction of resultant force is opposite to the direction of friction we say, and we also say in the direction of F1 and F2. Now we are discuss the effects of force. What are the effects of force on the states? Force can change the state of an object from rest to motion on object to rest. First we discuss kick a stationary football which kept it at rest ahead. हमारे पास एक फुटबॉल पड़ी है. There is a football. Kick this football with the leg by applying the force. It starts to move with the velocity v. Then it can change its state from rest to motion. Next, stop a moving football by the goalkeeper by applying the force on it and the football comes at rest. जैसे ही goalkeeper है, there is a goalkeeper. There is a goalkeeper. With the hand, it can stop the ball, moving ball, and then it come at rest from motion to rest. That is a state of rest, motion to rest. Then next is force can change the speed of moving object by applying the brakes. Car reduces its speeds. अब ब्रेक लगाने पे उसकी स्पीड कम हो जाती है. By pressing the accelerator, एक्सेलेटर को यानी रेस को दबाने से speed of car is increases. And some more example, a cricketer can change the speed of ball. जैसे बॉल उसके पास आ रही है उसकी स्पीड को वो एनहांस कर देते हैं बाय अप्लाइंग द शॉट ओवर देम. Force can change the direction of moving object. A cricketer or a hockey match, in every game the players can change the direction of moving ball. Force can change the shape and size of object. How can change? Shape of the dough of the flour is changed by pressing with the hands. गूंथे हुए आटे की शेप को हम हैंड से प्रेस करके उसे चेंज कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द डो ऑफ द फ्लोर. By applying with the hands, pressing with the hand, the shape will be changes. Shape is inflated balloon which changes. There is a inflated balloon, फूला हुआ गुब्बारा हमारे पास है. This is inflated balloon. By applying force over them, the shape will be changes. Okay, these are the effects of force. Now next is types of force. Next is types of force. Forces seen a flow chart. Force: contact force, non-contact force. Contact force are two types: muscular force and frictional forces. Non-contact force are generally three types: gravitational forces, magnetic forces, and electrostatic forces. Now discuss one by one. First we discuss contact force. The force which acts on a body due to the actual contact are called as contact force. वो फोर्स जो एक्चुअल कॉन्टैक्ट की वजह से होती है यानी एक्चुअली टच की वजह से होती है किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ, they are called as contact force. For example, first is muscular force. The force acts on a body due to the power of the muscles is called muscular force. Power of muscles, like we push anything. A car is pushed by a man. here the muscles of his hands applying the force on a car. Next, frictional force, the force which can resist the relative motion in solids and fluids, जो किसी भी मोशन को रेजिस्ट करते हैं, उसे रोकते हों, दे आर कॉल्ड एज. जैसे हमारे पास कोई गाड़ी चल रही है, अब फ्रिक्शन जो लग रहा है रोड का, उसे क्या करेगा, अपोज करेगा. फ्रिक्शन क्या करेगा, अपोज करेगा. फ्रिक्शन इज शोन बाय स्मॉल एफ, फ्रिक्शन फोर्स इज शोन बाय स्मॉल एफ वेक्टर. एंड फ्लूइड्स मीन्स लिक्विड्स एंड गैसेस, फ्लूइड्स मीन्स लिक्विड एंड गैसेस. डायरेक्शन ऑफ द फ्रिक्शन फोर्स इज अपोजिट टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मोशन. फ्रिक्शन की डायरेक्शन हमेशा अपोजिट रहेगी मोशन की, जिस डायरेक्शन में मोशन होगा ऑब्जेक्ट है उसी डायरेक्शन में अपोजिट रहेगी. सो डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्रिक्शन फोर्स इज क्लियर. ओके, नेक्स्ट, फ्रिक्शन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द फ्लूइड्स इज कॉल्ड ड्रैग्स. जब फ्लूइड के अंदर यानी लिक्विड्स के अंदर और गैसेस के अंदर जो फ्रिक्शन प्रोड्यूस होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ड्रैग. स्पेशल नेम कंसिडर्ड. फ्रिक्शन फोर्स एक्ट्स ऑन अ बॉडी ड्यू टू द सरफेस ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट. जो फ्रिक्शन है वो एक्चुअली में क्यों होता है, ड्यू टू सरफेस ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट. जब दो बॉडी आपस में कॉन्टैक्ट करके चलेगी, दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स एंड दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्रिक्शन, देन इट इज फ्रिक्शन फोर्स कम्स इनटू प्ले. A moving body will stops after some time due to the friction of the body and air surface or land. कोई बॉडी है, कोई बॉल है, चल रही तो थोड़े टाइम बाद में वो चलती चलती रुक जाएगी. वाई इट इज सो, ड्यू टू द फ्रिक्शन ऑफ इट्स विद द लैंड और फ्रिक्शन विद द एयर. देन नेक्स्ट आर द कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस. द फोर्स विच एक्ट्स ऑन अ बॉडी विदाउट एक्चुअल कॉन्टैक्ट आर कॉल्ड नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेज. जो विदाउट एक्चुअल कॉन्टैक्ट की हो रही है दे आर कॉल्ड एज नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेज. क्लियर. अब इसमें देखिए कौन कौन सी आती है. फर्स्ट इज ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. इन द नेचर द एवरी बॉडी अट्रैक्ट द एवरी अदर बॉडी विद द सम फोर्स इज कॉल्ड ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. हम देखते हैं नेचर के अंदर हर एक बॉडी दूसरी बॉडी को किसी फोर्स से पुल कर रही है, दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स. बट इन द स्मॉलर मास बॉडीज वी आर नेवर फील दैम, बट ड्यू टू द मास ऑफ बॉडी heavier bodies like planets and sun and stars are attract each other with the force that is called gravitation force. Due to the gravitation force planets and solar system are bind each other. एक दूसरे से बंधे हुए हैं और वो मूव कर रहे हैं. And galaxies are also bind with the gravitational force because they are the heavenly bodies and very heavy much mass bodies. Gravitational force we are discussed in detail in class 9th. Next is magnetic force, the force which is attractive as well as repulsive. दो टाइप की होती है, अट्रैक्शन भी होती है और रिपल्शन भी होती है. टू पोल्स ऑफ द मैग्नेट, यू नो दैट मैग्नेट हैव टू पोल्स, वन इज नॉर्थ पोल, सेकंड इज साउथ पोल. द लाइक पोल्स रिपेल ईच अदर, एक जैसे पोल रिपेल करेंगे. सी इन द रिपल्शन, नॉर्थ एंड नॉर्थ इन द सेम साइड दे शो द रिपल्शन एंड अपोजिट पोल अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर. नेक्स्ट इज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स. द फोर्स एक्ट्स बिटवीन टू चार्जेस इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स. We know that charges are the two types, positive charges as well as negative charges. Like charge repel each other. Like charge repel each other, there is a repulsion, and unlike charges attract each other, that is attraction. Where we seen the electrostatic force, like as example we are rub the scale with our hair and it can attract the piece of paper. This is due to the electrostatic force. And we rub the balloon, inflated balloon with our hair. This can after that attract with the wall and stick with the wall due to the electrostatic force. So our first part of this chapter is complete up to here. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for the further upcoming video and press the bell icon for this. Thanks. Have a nice